my video. I think I did not put an intro to this video because I didn't know I'm gonna make a separate one for this, but currently I'm sick and I need food. So I'm gonna make some soupy noodles for myself. Sort of Singapore style, you can say. So if you want to be on this adventure with me, cooking this for the first time, by the way. New noodles, never tried them before. So if you're with me, let's get into the video. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. These are bean sticks. So this is wheat noodle, but it has beans in it as well. And these are like thin flat noodles and they're Singapore based. So I just wanted to support Singapore based handmade apparently noodles. So very excited. So I'm gonna make these. Have this cooker for that. Let's see what green I'm gonna take. Okay, so not gonna have smoothie tomorrow because that's cold and I don't want to have anything cold. So I have a little bit of this Thailand spinach left and this broccoli. I know a lot of plastic use, not good, but then I need bags for trash. I don't know what to do about trash. So I'm gonna take this. See, it's like becoming weird now. And then I've got this one head of broccoli. I think I can use whole, whoops, all of it I think I can use. I'll wash these and put these in the cooker. Okay, then I just pick out the leaves. Some people do it with the root. I don't know, in India we don't do that. So, or do we? I don't know. I just don't want stuff that's not supposed to be eaten in my food. I don't know, maybe in the comments you're going to be like, no, the root has the most whatever. If that's the case, let me know. I've not looked into it. So much wasted, dude. Can you do something with this except for decoration? Plastic goes in storage as trash bags in the trash bag bucket. I'm sure all of us have that. I'm gonna fill this up with water. Just enough that the veggies are like submerged in, but not too much, okay? And then I'm gonna put some salt. That's a lot actually. And now this goes on the stove. Right now. We are going to let that. I'm gonna put that to like 1 or 2 whistles or till I can smell the broccoli. You know, you can smell it a little bit. Okay, so these noodles are cooked normally only. So once I have the boiling water after the CT has gone, I'll put this in, some spices, and that's about it. Hey guys, so my situation is getting worse by the hour, so I better make this now. Woohoo! We've got a nice soup full of veggies. Oh, it smells so nice. Look at that. All greens. So what I'm gonna do, great, the battery's flashing. Perfect! I'm gonna separate the vegetables and then cook the noodles in this broth, put in some random spices, and then have the noodles with the soup, and it's gonna be the best thing ever. Okay, let's get this water boiling. This can cut me off at any time, hence I've explained you the procedure. So I'm just putting one of these because honestly I'm not that hungry right now. Again, saving the plastic for later. Definitely needs more salt. I like chaat masala. I don't have like, you know, like sometimes you have one masala that does it all. I want that, like a Szechuan masala or something like that. I'm just experimenting with different masalas and not getting it right most of the time. Like, you know, the flavor that I have in my mind, not getting it. It's really annoying. Anyways, in the end, this sriracha sauce saves me every single damn time. Just remembered, so I've got this chopped garlic which is in some garlicky water. I'm gonna put that because I want this to have A, flavor, and B, save me from this cold. And then gonna put some ginger in. How do you put ginger in things though? Just like that? Okay. Now this is gonna be super aromatic. I should have put the garlic and ginger earlier. Now this is gonna be a nice tasting soup. The noodles are already loose. Super excited for this. Okay, it's very hot. Oh, that changed the game. That changed the game. Now, if I need this sriracha sauce, I'll use it later. I'm going to put a lid on it so that the ginger and the garlic can just bring their aromas in, and then I'm going to transfer it in a bowl and then taste it. I'll charge this camera till then. Okay, time for the big reveal, the taste test. Are we in focus? Okay, let's taste test it. Smells so good and so light actually. It's good that I don't have too many spices because then sick body can't really take all the spices and so. Veggies are gone. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make this Singapore. Okay, I am back with lots of supplies. Oops, sorry. So what they have here is, they usually the food that they have, like sometimes the ones that I have, it's like the food is a little bland, but then they have the chili sauce that you dip stuff in, and don't underestimate the chili sauce. Hey, can I eat this uncooked? I don't think I can eat this uncooked, so better not do that. I'll have soy sauce as my. Okay, put soy sauce. I want to put Nando's peri peri sauce also, just. Whoops! Man. I got some chili flakes also, but you know what? I don't want to be too adventurous right now, so I'm gonna mix this. This literally looks like the sauce that they have at these restaurants and all. Literally looks like that. It's a little more soy, less chili. Theirs is like red. So how they do. So you use the spoon to roll your noodle or contain it sort of. Okay. Then, okay, I'm not able to contain it, so chuck it. Then you dip it in the sauce and then you have it. Let's see. It makes so much of a difference. Yes. Yes. This is exactly what we get outside. Well, not exactly. Their sauce is better, of course. But I love this. Oh my gosh. I was planning to initially put chili flakes in, but the peri peri sauce tastes better. I did put a little bit too much of the soy sauce because I could not control the flow. But hey, this is literally... Okay, let me try with the veggie. Let me try with the brock. The brock. Okay. Ow, I bit my tongue. Love this. So if you want, make sure to try this out. Super easy, right? You can make this sauce, dippy dip, feel very oriental, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I've also made other cooking videos, so make sure to watch those, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Please wish me that I get well soon.